think. I'll see if I can find the time to visit you.
Yes, I'll, have a talk with Sir Topham Hatt about...
Before you go, I need to tell you something.
Huh?
Before you came to Sodor, there was an engine.
What do you mean?
The river didn't like him. Carried him away. Splishy splashy.
Timothy, don't! You'll kill us all!
He never came back.
I think we can both agree that James isn't all here at the moment. Let's just leave him here for now. The workman will need space to repair him after.